I'll look at your blog like a product or like a marketing campaign and think of do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. If everyone's writing long stuff, write short stuff. If everyone's writing short stuff, write long stuff. If everyone is doing text, do video. If everyone's doing videos, do a podcast.
So like if you had to start again from scratch and you had no personal brand, so what would your approach, like, could you talk about the approach that you would use to rank in a competitive space?
Yeah, so the number one thing I would do is that a lot of people skip over is I would create a brand for my blog. And the reason I say that is because everyone's going to jump right into content and keywords. And one of the things that helped me with Backlinko, and I've seen it happen in other niches too, where people enter competitive niches really late, is they create a little niche for themselves that help them stand out. So let's say you had like a services company. Your services company is going to have a brand, and your blog can just be an extension of that, as opposed to just a collection of articles. And it sounds like a minor difference, but it's actually really important, because if you think about like Moz, for example, their software, their company has this whole mission and blog and their mission, their staff, product, all that stuff. Their blog also has its own personality, its own USP, and people visit it for that reason. They link to it for that reason. So I would do something like that. I would look at your blog like a product or like a marketing campaign and think of do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. If everyone's writing long stuff, write short stuff. If everyone's writing short stuff, write long stuff. If everyone is doing text, do video. If everyone's doing videos, do a podcast. And of course, you still want the foundation of any SEO campaign is going to be text-based guides and articles, something of that nature. But outside of that, what else can you do? And one of the things that probably not as many people are doing are like videos and podcasts like you're doing, Alex. It's you're probably finding it's competitive, but much less competitive than the SEO world. And in your niche, it's going to be different, like what people are doing and not doing. But that's going to be the key to standing out, is figuring out a platform or something that's going to help you stand out. And it could also be a niche. You could just write about one tiny niche for a while. Like when I started Backlinko, I only wrote about link building for like a year. And that helped me stand out from the other SEO blogs, because the other ones were talking about on-page SEO and keyword research and all this stuff. And I pretty much stuck to link building for a year. That helped me stand out. And then from there, you can expand out into more stuff. That way you're known. This can help your brand. That's the blog about whatever, B2B SaaS. That's the blog about keto diet desserts. If you have that little niche, it helps it stick in people's mind. It's like that 22 mutable laws of marketing. They talk about that. People only have space for like one or two brands in a category. So if you can be in that category, you can get some mind share, as opposed to being the 100th blog about marketing or the 100th blog about weight loss.